How do you use Snapchat Map feature step by step? Well, Snapchat Map has lots of features you might not know. If you open up Snapchat and head over to the map section towards the bottom right corner from the homepage, you'll be able to see map. Now you'll also be able to see the weather, whether it is raining or whether it is snowing or such. Now on map you'll be able to see friends who have enabled their location right away and when was their last known location right there. So you can see this friend of mine is right here right now. So you can also see the battery and such. Now you can also find the way to travel to them by opening in Google Maps or opening in Apple Maps, and you can find out the location to that particular friend. Right. Now, if you want your location to be hidden, you can do that by simply heading over to Snapchat, right? The map section and tapping on the settings icon, and you can see ghost mode. You can enable this. Now, if you disable this, your live location will be shared, and who can see your location? You can set it to my friends or my friends accept and such. So it's actually pretty simple. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.